This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming network access. If you're offline, iMessage can't send. Once connected, go to Settings, Messages, and toggle iMessage off then on to re-register with Apple. This forces re-authentication. Make sure the Apple ID listed is the one you want to use, because mismatches cause SMS fallback. If the phone is frozen or not registering, restart or force restart. That clears temporary glitches and allows the service to reinitiate cleanly. Proceed when registration shows as activated. Now focus on why messages are green, often SMS fallback or failed iMessage activation. Make sure Send as SMS is enabled in Messages so texts go through when iMessage cannot, and verify your carrier plan supports SMS. Sign out of your Apple ID in Messages and FaceTime, then sign in again to refresh device tokens. This fixes registration issues. Also check for pending iOS updates and install them once updated. Verify blocked contacts and phone number formatting, because small account mismatches prevent iMessage delivery. Finish by confirming the recipient uses iMessage. Green means SMS, so if they recently switched devices or removed iMessage, messages will be green. Once done, verify the contact entry uses the exact phone or email registered with Apple, because incorrect addresses force SMS. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. This erases saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to reconnect. If activation errors or persistent green bubbles continue, contact Apple support or your carrier for account-level fixes. That's the key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.